Today we're testing which method strips 1 kilogram of copper wires the fastest. And at the end, I'll show you how much clean copper we get from 1 kilogram of wires. The rules are simple. Each method gets exactly 1 kilogram of wires with no breaks. The winner is the one that finishes first. This is the method most people start with. It looks simple, but it takes a lot of time and energy. The knife finished 1 kilogram of wires in 28 minutes. Before we move on to round 2, comment below who you think will win. This is the machine I built myself. Let's see if it really makes a difference. The Copper Eater performs incredibly well. If you haven't seen how I built it, stay until the end for a short 4-minute tutorial so you can build it yourself, fast and easy. The Copper Eater finished in just 18 minutes. That's impressive, but we're not making any conclusions yet, because next is the $100 bot machine, and it might surprise you. This machine is factory made in China and designed specifically for this job. Theoretically, it should be the best. The result is clear. The fastest method isn't the most expensive one. And now, how much clean copper comes from 1 kilogram of wires? From 1 kilogram of wires, I got 700 grams of clean copper. In my opinion, the best method is the Copper Eater. You can build this machine yourself using things you already have at home. So here's a quick tutorial.